Hi, my name's Nicholas. I just passed my G road test with Harminder at the Toronto Drivers School, and I just wanted to share the good news and just the ways that this school has helped me out these past few months. So, I passed my G2 test back when I was in high school in grade 11, 5 years ago. And when I passed my G2 test, the way that I was like receiving driving instruction and just like my confidence was really low. Although I passed my G2, I had crazy driver's anxiety. I was very nervous to the point that once I passed my test, I didn't even touch the road after that. And then I looked a couple of months ago that my license is going to expire, and I realized it's been 5 years since I touched a car. And I was like, I need to get my license, I need to get my full G. So I was at this like low point, really, with lots of lacking just self-confidence in driving, just because I just didn't know what to do. And I just wanted to find a school or an instructor who could like just get rid of this driver's anxiety. And then I was looking on YouTube, and I stumbled upon Harminder's page, and I found him. And luckily, these videos, he was a Toronto driver instructor in Toronto, and I gave him a call, and he was like so comforting and welcoming. When I called him, he wasn't like, he didn't rush. He didn't make me feel like I was rushed. He didn't like shame me, or he was really comforting, welcoming, and he really believed that I could do this and pass my G. So it was like August, and I only had a couple of more months left until my G expires, and I started taking lessons with him, and he was really accommodating. The first call I called him like the week after, he already asked me to get a lesson, and my first lesson with him was everything I was looking for an instructor. He had so much peace and so much confidence in me that it actually made me more confident. And he told me the why to the things that I was doing. He told me like why we have blind spots, like why we need to put indicators on and all that stuff. And for a person like me, I really needed to know the why and not just like do things without knowing. But yeah, and that first lesson was awesome. And then we did a couple more lessons, and slowly he just was really comforting, really assuring, really believing in me. And now we got to a point where I took X amount of lessons with him, and now I just did my G test and I passed. And it's like, and I passed not only just for the road test, I learned how to drive properly and independently with confidence. And he gave me the tools, not just to pass the test, but tools just to how to drive in life, but also how to have more confidence in life as well. So if you're in a spot like me where you're having lots of nervousness and anxiety about driving, I highly recommend, reach out to someone. It's never too late. My G2 was expiring, and yet we still did it, and he believed in me. There's people out there who want to help you and support you. Just hit up Harminder, hit up the driving school, and if this is too far for you, there's other driving schools out there. But Harminder's the best, I'm not gonna lie, he's the best. Yeah, and he's also writing a book about nervous drivers and to get rid of that anxiety. So check out that book if he's already written it. It's on his website. But yeah, he's like, you can get more confident in driving, and it's possible. It's really possible. It doesn't stop with your anxiety. It doesn't stop with your nervousness. You can become a better driver right now. So get the help and believe in yourself. Because if I could do it, you could do it.